We completed our passage from Tonga to Fiji in under 3 days, which was impressive considering we could only sail using our head sails. Perhaps even more impressive, not ripping our spinnaker in spite of our best efforts. Once we came into Savu Savu, we had to complete the somewhat complicated process of clearing into Fiji. Just finished up all of the clearances on the boat, but not everyone will take payment. So we're here in town for 3 very important things. Have to pay customs. Oh yeah, okay, 4. Cash, customs, health.
Internet.
Gotta get the internet. You find the Ministry of Health?
Yes, this all looks very familiar.
Last blue building before you leave town, huh?
And it is bright blue.
The health department was the furthest stop, so we got that out of the way first. The data plans are surprisingly cheap in Fiji, so we were excited to get lots of internet. With that done, we stopped in at customs and then had to reward ourselves for all the hard work. So we may have finished all of our necessary errands and, oh, found a little ice cream.
Mine's pretty good.
Okay, today is going to be a little bit of an errand adventure day. In Fiji, you're supposed to have a cruising permit that you can show to all the chiefs when you go to the islands that you officially cleared in and have permission to be cruising around Fiji. That's not quite ready yet. So we're going to go
The
Chandlery, search for a new gas tank for Little Dipper. The old one is cracked and leaking water. That's no good.
No.
Supposedly the battens for our mainsail could potentially be at the post office. Can't quite figure out the tracking system here, so we're just gonna go keep checking. And what else are we doing today?
Maybe the grocery store.
Yeah, nice little adventure day. Our first stop was the Chandlery, where we ran into a slight stumbling block. So, what did we find?
Potential new gas tank.
But we're not 100% sure if it's going to fit.
Right.
Or if the connector will work with our Suzuki. So, guess we have to go do a little more research first.
Yeah.
The post office is in the middle of town and had quite the collection of office supplies. We bought a variety in order to hand out to the schools on the remote islands we were planning to visit, but had a little less luck with our battens.
We're not CDP. We are EMS.
It's 0 for 2, huh?
0 for 2. No fuel tank. Well, because we need measurements and stuff, but the package is not at the post office here, and we're not sure if this is the right post office or the package just hasn't come yet. So we sent off an email and we'll try again later. Should be like a giant package of battens that are like
20-something
6
feet
meters long.
Yeah.
So it should be pretty
obvious. Yeah. Well, we'll track it down eventually.
Yep.
So we're back out exploring again. We think we found where our package is, so we're in a cab headed out there trying to find it.
Yes.
Fingers crossed.
Well, we got it.
We found it?
We found it.
Woohoo!
Big.
Wow, yeah, that is quite a package, isn't it?
Okey-doke.
Get our package.
We can get our package. We will have sail battens and we can use our mainsail again.
Oh, that's exciting.
Banaka? Okay.
Well, the battens are just a little bit too big for the car, so we're holding them out the side, and Amy's up front. I'm in the back. We've got the most awesome cab driver ever. And we're just making it work. We'd had a chance to measure Little Dipper before picking up the battens, so another stop at the Chandlery was in order. Hey, what is that in your hands?
Brand spanking new fuel tank. I think it's bigger than our old one, right?
It looks
6
like
gallons?
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
The Little Dipper's gonna be all happy after our misadventures this morning. What a successful afternoon.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta get it all back on Starry Horizons.
Because, yeah, I don't... That's really, really long. So just so everybody can get a really good appreciation for how big this package is. There's Amy. There's the dock. Oh, and there's the neighboring boat.
Ready?
Yeah, how are we doing back there?
Not too bad.
It's like ready for some Game of Thrones jousting.
Yep. Dinghy jousting. That should totally be a thing.
I think we've come up with a new cruiser sport.
Yep. Yay, we have battens.
So it's, of course it's raining after all this adventure trying to just get the damn things, but we got the mainsail up, the battens are in, looks like they fit pretty well. That means we get to go sailing again. Oh, hell yeah.
Before we could go sailing, we had another side trip to make, this time by plane. We left Starry Horizons on a mooring at the Waitui Marina for 2 days while we flew to Suva on the Big Island.
How's she looking, babe? Fans are still running, that's a good sign.
Good. Fans are still running. Big question here. 100% on the batteries.
Sweet. Alright, so where have we been for the last couple days?
We went to Suva. Today is Thursday, so 2 days ago we flew to Suva from Sabu Sabu.
Yeah, and why did we go there?
We went because we are applied for our long stay visa as an American. In Australia we get 90 days, but we want more than that. So we went and we had to do a medical exam and a chest x-ray from an approved Australian immigration's panel physician in Suva, which we did. And then there was a lot of running around, some shopping and trying to do other stuff, and then we got our visa.
Yeah, got a notification this morning, huh?
Yeah, we got our notice today as we were waiting in the airport that we have been approved for a 1-year visa.
And we flew down there because it was a lot easier than taking the boat. We're trying to get back east to the Lao group, so going down to Suva would be the wrong way.
Yes.
Went to Suva last year, it's kind of nasty.
Yeah.
So flying was much better.
It was good. It's so cool to fly over Sabu Sabu coming in, and we could look down and see Starry Horizons.
That was pretty sweet.
That was awesome.
Okay, a few more project time, and then we can finally start exploring Fiji again.
Yeah, we're ready to head back east.
Our biggest project was definitely provisioning. We were hoping to spend at least a month out in the Lao group of Fiji, and there are no supermarkets out there. We'd heard we could do some trading in various villages, but Amy was planning on having enough food for 44 days to get us through until we came back to one of the bigger islands.
We are underway again, and as per usual, I don't really know where we're going. Let's go find the Admiral.
Hola.
Hey, where are we going?
We are going to Taveuni.
Taveuni.
Yes.
So we're finally getting out into Fiji.
It's pretty exciting.
Yeah. You look like you're working hard on watch up here.
Oh yeah, it's terrible. Rough work this watch stuff is.
I bet.
Yeah.
And so we're on the lookout for someone, aren't we?
Yeah. We're going to Taviuni. Quixotic is leaving Taviuni. And therefore the two shall meet, apparently.
Well, we're trying.
We're trying to meet.
It's like needle in the haystack.
Yeah. Yeah, you'd think we could see them by now. They're like 8 miles away. We can hail them on the VHF. But I don't see anybody.
We'll
Pretty
find
quiet
them.
out here.
We spotted Quixotic on the horizon and had to get a bit creative for our mid-ocean meetup.
Okay, we found Quixotic, Lewis and Alyssa. They are right there. How are we gonna meet up in the middle of the ocean?
They're gonna let their boat drift and hop on their paddle boards and come over. And, you know, worst case scenario, we'll floor Starry Horizons to go follow Quixotic.
Gotcha.
This'll be interesting.
Yeah, never tried this before.
Nope.
We'd chosen an incredibly calm day to head east, so by heaving to, Lewis and Alyssa made sure that Quixotic wouldn't go too far.
This is not too bad, huh?
With Lewis and Alyssa on board, technically Quixotic was an abandoned vessel, but we kept a close eye on her and relished the opportunity to catch up with our friends.
Cheers to mid-ocean hangout.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what we do in the middle of the ocean, apparently.
Yep.
I like it. We can get used to this.
That's right.
Quixotic was safe and sound, and we managed to transfer back without any problems. Though I couldn't pass up the chance to get an aerial view of the two boats meeting in the middle of the ocean.
Oh, that was so cool.
That was fun.
Yeah, it always kind of sucks because that may literally be the last time we see them because we're continuing to go west and
Yeah.
they're staying in Fiji, but
Yeah.
that's the tough part of the cruising life.
That is the tough part. Always having to say goodbye to people.
Yeah.
Like, Lewis and Alyssa have been some of our best friends over the past year, you know? We've spent a lot of time with them.
Yeah. Well, Lewis and Alyssa, you guys are awesome. We will find you again somewhere.
With our meetup over, Taviuni on the horizon beckoning, and a limited number of daylight hours remaining, we got back underway.
Oh, filming, I gotta turn the click off.
Yep. No clicking. Oh, it's a mackerel. Or a wahoo. I'm not sure which. Oh! That bastard!
You don't have a fish.
No,
Where did my fish go?
your fish ditched the lure.
What a little jerk.
Yeah. He was like a mackerel or wahoo, I think. But gone now.
Oh well.
Since the fish didn't actually make it on the boat, I can't claim fish number 7 for the season. And with the sun now starting to set, we had to hustle the last few miles to make it in by dark.
So we made it to Taveuni just as the sun was setting last night. We are on a mooring outside. What is this called? The
Paradise Resort.
Paradise Resort. It's just gonna be a quick little stop though, because the trip down to the Laos is about 70 miles. So we're gonna leave really early tomorrow. But last chance for dinner out for quite a while.
Yeah, like a month. For a month, probably.
At least. Yeah.
Yeah.
So gonna go enjoy it.
Yeah.
And then we'll be off. Goodbye.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching our latest video. We have a lot of announcements for this outro. Number 1, as you can see, we are in Gold Coast, Australia. We are having a meetup on February 10th. There's a link down below to the Facebook event, so we hope that you can join us. Number 2, in this video you saw our friends Lewis and Alyssa from Quixotic. Their boat is available for charter, crewed charter, in the eastern islands of Fiji, which is amazing. And there is no bareboat charter in Fiji. So it's a fantastic opportunity. Lewis and Alyssa are awesome. Number 3, as you can see, ta-da, I'm wearing my new Out Chasing Stars shirts. David's parents brought them for us over Christmas. We want to say thank you guys so much, whoever ordered t-shirts. They're awesome. We are really, really pleased with the sales and really pleased with how the shirts turned out, so thank you Teespring for that. And last but not least, the current issue of Cruising World magazine has an article written by yours truly. It's actually my second piece. I had a book review come out late last year, and my third piece is going to be coming out in the June-July issue. So we hope you guys see it and enjoy it. There's going to be a link below down to the Cruising World issue. Alright guys, thanks very much, and we look forward to seeing you next week.